Let me show you how to add a clickable link to your WhatsApp status. Let's go. First off, you need to copy a link to the clipboard. Let's say you wish to share a video, so open YouTube and copy the link to this video, and it also can be linked to any web page or to any file in the internet. Now open the WhatsApp application and look down and find Updates tab. Now tap on the pencil icon. It takes you to the status editing page. Now tap and hold on empty space and tap on paste to paste your link. If you wish to change the background color, tap on the color board icon a few times. You can also change the font, tap on T icon, and just send your status. Now anyone who can see your status can tap on your profile icon and see your status and tap on the link and open this link and the video plays. With advertising, of course. So hope this video was helpful. If yes, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.